What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on the FRS again. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2016 Cyan FRS. You can see all the videos, my old videos, so go check those out. But today we're going to be working on the rear end again. So since I got my exhaust, I felt like it's missing something here. So I went on eBay and I got me a diffuser. So let me get this out of the box and let me show you what I got. Alright, so I just got a cheap eBay diffuser. Don't want to really go crazy wide body or any of that. But the finish is pretty nice. It's just like a black, and it came with all the hardware to mount this up. So let's get underneath and start doing this. Alright, so the next step is there's going to be a couple clips underneath here. You want to take those out with just like a flathead screwdriver and basically just pry those out, and then once you get those all out, then it's time to put the diffuser in. So let's get this. Alright, so now that I got the diffuser up, there's like a clip here, and then you want to put like a screw there, and then another clip, and a screw, clip, and then so on. Honestly, it fits pretty well. I know you guys can't really see underneath the car and the bad lighting and everything, but basically, for an eBay kit, fitment's pretty good. As you can see, it fits pretty OEM, and for 57 bucks, it's not bad, and it adds a lot of character to the car. And also, if you guys do work in your garage, I didn't make a video, but I got these Amazon lights that are amazing, and it's very bright in here now versus the last couple of videos. It's been dark, so hopefully video quality is a lot better now. But I'm gonna button this up and then I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, so now that we got everything done, so the side, it has like a little bracket, you can see like right here. And you basically just screw that on top of the bumper. Then you have that clip, a bolt, another clip, a screw, clip, screw, and a clip. Honestly, the fitment, it's pretty spot on. And as you can see, for the money, it was worth it, and it definitely made it look a lot better. I am waiting for a front lip to come in, so expect a video on that. But this wraps up this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.